If you've ever wondered how to build a successful white label brand, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the important steps to create and grow a profitable white label business. First, what is white labeling? White labeling is selling products manufactured by another company but branded with your own logo and identity. This approach allows you to focus on marketing and sales while leveraging the expertise of established manufacturers to start your white labeling brand. Identify a niche market with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and market research reports to guide your decision. Then, find a reliable supplier. Partner with a manufacturer who has a good reputation for quality and reliability. Check reviews, request samples, and ensure they can meet your quality standards and delivery timelines. Websites like Alibaba and Thomasnet can help you find reputable suppliers. Develop your brand identity. Create a unique and memorable brand that stands out in the market. This includes designing a compelling logo, choosing brand colors, and crafting a brand story that resonates with your audience. Create a marketing strategy. Use a mix of digital marketing tactics such as social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing to promote your brand. And here's a pro tip: use ImageTranslate to create product labels and marketing materials in multiple languages while keeping the original design intact. This way, you can easily adapt your brand for different markets and cultural contexts. Monitor and optimize. Track your sales, website traffic, and marketing campaign performance regularly. Use analytics tools to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Continuously optimize your strategies to stay competitive and grow your brand. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business.